studying is the notochord. Now try to understand the notochord first. Now remember one thing, notochord is one kind of organ present in our body. Notochord is not something very odd structure or something, but it is an organ, it is a particular structure which is present in some animals and some animals don't have this structure. So animals are basically classified on the basis of whether notochord is there or whether notochord is not there. So before shifting to the animal classification on the basis of notochord, let us first try to understand where this organ is present and what does it do. So let's begin to study notochord. So first we will try to understand where this notochord is present. Now one thing before studying everything else, you need to understand notochord is present only in the advanced animals. Notochord is present only in advanced animals. So notochord, this is an advanced structure and not present in primitive animal like sponges, it is absent. In coelentrates, it is absent. In jellyfish and all, we don't find jellyfish, starfish, we don't find such a complicated structure. So presence of notochord is an indication of an advanced animal. So before actually shifting to this organ, you need to understand few basic things about the advanced animal body. Now every advanced animal or every animal basically is having two sides of its body, basically four sides, but here we are talking about only two sides. So there are two sides present in the body. One is called as the ventral side. One side is called as the ventral side where our mouth is located. Mouth is located. So here my mouth is located, it is my ventral side. Or more specifically, where our alimentary canal means what? Alimentary canal means digestive system. So where our alimentary canal, where our digestive system is located, that side of our body is ventral side. So even heart is located on ventral side, even lungs are located on ventral side. So this front side of my body is ventral side. On the another side there is a dorsal side. Now when I consider dorsal side will be back side of my body. Here basically many muscles of our body are located and more importantly our nervous system is located on our dorsal side. Nervous system is located on dorsal side. Now notochord, this particular structure is there which is basically present on the dorsal side. Remember, notochord is present on the dorsal side, but it is not totally on the dorsal side. It is basically separating ventral side from that of the dorsal side. Now notochord, it is a rod or rope-like structure. See, notochord is rod or rope-like structure. So suppose this is the body, this is the two sides of body, okay, then notochord is present over here. Just a second. Notochord is passing from the center. Now consider this is left side of the body, left side, and this is right side. These two sides of the body, and from their center a rod or rope like structure is passing which is called as notochord. Okay, and this is on the dorsal side. See, center from left and right, but from the on the dorsal side. Getting my point? Now this structure is basically made up of when we see this structure, it is a continuous structure. You will not find any joint in between. It is unjoined structure. Unjoined means continuous structure. and rope-like. Rope-like structure. Understanding? Okay. And what does it do? Try to understand. Now, see, it separate this alimentary canal which is on the front side from the nervous system which is on the back side. So, here the digestive system, here the alimentary canal, and back side will be the nervous system. In between them, separation is the notochord. This rope-like structure separates alimentary canal from nervous system. So, the first function of notochord is separation of alimentary canal from nervous system. Clear? The first function. The second function is that, try to understand this second function properly. Now, notochord, as I told you, it is present only in the advanced animals. And advanced animals are having very strong muscles on their backside. So, these strong muscles need something for their attachment. So, this is a rod passing from the center which provide attachment for the muscles of back. So, it provide attachment for muscles is the second function. Basically provide place for attachment. Place for attachment of muscles. Just correct that. It provide place for attachment of muscles. Got it? The two functions of notochord. Clear about it? Now, let us consider the animal classification on the basis of this presence of notochord. Now, let us try to understand animal classification on the basis of notochord. So, animals are classified on the basis of notochord like this. Suppose I considered all the animals on the basis of presence or absence of notochord. They are two types. Basically, when we consider animal kingdom, Animalia, divided into subkingdom. Agree? So, this first subkingdom classification is only on the basis of presence or absence of notochord. So, animals, when having notochord, they are called as chordates. What they are called as? Chordates. In chordates, notochord is present. Chord present. And another are non-chordates, means obviously notochord absent. Notochord absent. Getting my point? So, on the basis of notochord, presence of notochord, animals are divided into two large groups, two subkingdoms, chordates with notochord and non-chordates without notochord. Now here one important thing we need to understand. See, when we consider human being, have you ever heard about any structure like, any organ like notochord in our body? Have you ever heard notochord of human being, notochord of fish, notochord of lion? Have you heard anything like this? Obviously not, because a notochord structure is not present in human body or not present in many animals' body. But still we are coming under chordates. So what happened in us? Try to understand. See, when we are growing in embryo, we were having notochord. Okay, notochord was there when in embryonic condition. But when we grow up, okay, our notochord get converted into vertebral column. Do you know about vertebral column? It is the vertebral column, bony structure which is running from our backside. And vertebral column is made up of bones, and it surround our nervous system. Our spinal cord, a part of our nervous system, is passing from the vertebral column. So our notochord converted into vertebral column, and it is passing through our spinal cord is passing through the vertebral column. So vertebral column give protection to the nervous system. And those animals in which this condition is there, that is notochord got converted into vertebral column, those animals are called as vertebrates. So in detailed classification of vertebrates, detailed classification of chordates and non-chordates, we are going to study in this topic. But for this about notochord, it is more than enough. So few things you need to remember about notochord. Notochord is unjoined rod-like structure passing from the dorsal side of the body. It do two functions. One is separation of alimentary canal from the nervous system. Second is it provide place for attachment of the muscles. Clear? Okay. The animals which show presence of notochord, chordates. Which don't have notochords are non-chordates. And the animals in which notochord got converted into vertebral column are vertebrates. So this is all about notochord.